This is the TL111 door handle and window crank escutcheon tool, and today we're going to remove the escutcheons on this 36 4-door. So just a little bit about the tool itself. It's made of sturdy 3/16 wire. It has plastic dipped ends to protect your upholstery and your escutcheons, and the large end is 2-inch diameter. The small end is a 1-inch diameter. So it works really well on the earlier cars that use the pin to lock in the door handle and escutcheon. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate how this works. You'll need the Bob Drake escutcheon tool, pin punch, and a small ball peen hammer. So the best way to do it is to just put the tool in there and then push up against it with your body. Locate the pin with the punch, and then just gently drive the pin out. It's also handy for reassembly. So we'll go ahead and do the you may have to rotate it around and find the best angle to get at it. Pin drops out. Handle comes off, and your escutcheon. So pick up this handy tool for your toolbox at bobdrake.com or your authorized Drake dealer.